Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another TacPack monthly subscription box. This is like the plus variant of this box. We'll find out when we get in here. So, are you guys ready? This is TacPack. TacPack, rack, crack, sack, don't do crack, crack still whack. And with that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell. Even though I say that ad nauseum, it doesn't really do any good, but it makes me feel better. So please, make sure you're subscribed and all that crap. Are you guys ready for TacPack? Let's do it. All right, so we are back with TacPack, and as per usual, if you want to go to TacPack, just type in TacPack at Google. It'll take you there. You can subscribe. One of the things I highly recommend doing with TacPack. The reason why I like these boxes, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. Look, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'll lie to everybody else. Not gonna lie to y'all. TacPack is where I get all these lovely stickers from that are back here, as you see. Pretty much the majority of these came from TacPack. Except for ones like this. This one says strawberry jams, but my Glock don't. That was sent to me by a friend of the channel. And a couple of these other stickers were sent to me, but the majority of these come from TacPack. All right, so here is your top-down view of TacPack, rack, crack, sack. Oh, this does not look promising, bro. Oh, danger, Will Robinson, danger. This is not starting off on the best foot, man. This might be a box of disappointment. I don't know, bro. This is not looking good. Oh, what we got here? True North 0-8 V2. Could it? Would it? Should it? M-lock. Black. Adjustable cant from 0 to 8 degrees. Ooh, I need this. Available with interchangeable Picatinny or M-lock. Okay, I need M-lock. Oh, bro. I take it back. This actually might be a good box because I need this. I actually need this. I need this in my life. Oh, yes. 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 Ooh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nice. And then they gave you the screws, and they give you the Allen wrench. They gave you everything you need. Okay, cool. All right. Sweet. All right. Okay, we're off to a good start, bro. We're off to a good start. I need this. So, yeah. Maybe there is did they give you they give you some other stuff from this company. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, I might be wrong, bro. This might actually be a good box. Okay, so this company is True North Concepts, right? Okay, the next thing we got from True North Concept, we got a flash suppressor. I want to see what this jank looks like though. Hang on. I want to see. I want to know what you're thinking. Tell me what's on your mind. Okay. All right. Well, I like that. It's not too bad right there. What? Not too bad right there, bro. Bro. Okay. 4-prong superior flash suppression. Blah 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 blah. I mean, it's got a cool profile on it. I tell you that. I mean, I've got ones that look like this, but I don't know. I like the way it looks, man. Yeah, I like that. Not too shabby. Okay. All right. We're off to a decent start, bro. It could be a lot worse. I was not hopeful. I was not hopeful at all when I opened the box and peeked in there. I'm not gonna lie, bro. My feelings were a little bit hurt. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, then we got something from CMG. We got a bolt catch. A zeroed bolt catch. Okay, all right. Okay. I don't need stuff like this, really. I just keep stuff like this in my Well, I would say I keep it in a box because I have all kinds of little parts like this. You know, like mag releases, you know, all kinds of stuff like that. Dust covers. I got clear dust covers, all kinds of stuff. But I just did a giveaway. And I gave away some stuff like this. Just saying. Become a channel member, yo. See, I saw this. I seriously, I focused on this and I'm like, oh man, this box is gonna suck. So what is this? 9-line apparel. Wait, 9-line apparel. Wait. I've got a beanie hat. Wait. Hold up a second. Don't look at my butt. Is that 9-line apparel? Yeah, check that out. 9-line apparel. I knew I got stuff from them before, and it came from TacPack. So I have received some 9-line items before. So I got the beanie. So I can wear the beanie, apparently while sipping out of their little mug here. Hand wash only. Okay, sweet. They don't tell me nothing about it though. Usually, man, companies, they fluff you up, man. It's triple bonded, vacuum insulated in space, you know, and it uses unobtainium to make it, and all this, and it keeps your beverages like negative 500 degrees for 500 hours. You know, they tell you a bunch of lies, and also that it's tactical. Now, you see that right there? You see that lid closer? That's tactical. Yeah, that's tactical right there. It looks like it can break real easy. I don't have faith. I do not have faith in that. That looks like it'll break. TacPack. And you get this. I'm sorry. Okay. All right, then we got some gun oil. Extreme corrosion, protection, lubricant, protect guns longer. This stuff, you know, hey, I will definitely not, I will not scoff. I mean, it's from Real Avid. So this is good stuff, you know, if you don't have, you know, hops or whatever. I mean, this is good stuff. So this is something that will definitely not, you know, go to waste. I will definitely use it. There you go. Gun max. There you go. You can freeze that. Hey, can you read that? Earthquake. No, I'm just kidding. There you go. Shake well before using. All right, so there you go. I tend to, the one good thing about getting these subscription boxes, like, okay, look, you can say, oh man, this box sucks. Well, here's the thing. Stuff like this, I put it on my shelf over there. And I never run out of this stuff. Because I have a lot of it. So, yeah, like, this will get used. Eventually. I guess what I'm saying, it's not a waste. It's technically, for me, it's not a waste. So, yeah. All right, we got something from Gerber. Ooh, what is this? Second Amendment. What is that? What is this? What is this? What is that? Oh, what is this? TacPack. All right. Oh, no. Oh, there's a sticker. Man, how did I forget about the sticker, man? Okay, look. Favorite thing about these boxes for me is the sticker. The sticker's right here up under this. I'm not going to move it because I don't want to see it. All right, and we got a pamphlet from True North. Okay, I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, they're advertising all their other crap. Okay. Okay, and there's what we got. There's what we got. Oh, they got a riser. Okay, there's the flash suppressor. Okay, okay, they got all kind of forward grips. Okay, okay, they got some breeching wedge here. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, wow. They got some modular plates there for holster adapters. That's cool. They got leg strap kits. Okay. So this is just some, you know, they're trying to fluff themselves up on my time. I don't appreciate that. All right. So let's get with this Gerber here. We got, this is a Pledge clip folding knife. Okay. So this is what we got. It's just a little Gerber knife. Okay. Let's see. They have this cut out, so they really want you to rub your finger in there. Giggity giggity. No diddy. Okay, I don't know. It doesn't feel. I mean, I don't understand what do. I don't know. Whatever. 7 CR steel, plain edge, folding, liner lock, corrosion resistant, texture grip, pocket clip. Dude, it gets no more vanilla than that. Here you go. There you go. We got full panel, reverse, Tonto blade, plain edge, black oxide coated, reversible thumb stud. The thumb stud's only on one side? Oh, that is dumb. Gerber, what are you doing? Okay, look. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that or not, but the thumb stud is a little flat piece that's bolted through the top of the spine, so you can loosen it and flip it on the other. That's dumb. That is dumb, man. Just have a thumb stud. Oh, but see, reversible thumb stud. So that they're selling you that like it's some great thing. Anything to think it's different. Anything. Okay. What is this? What is this? Is this a breaker? Is that what it is? Is that what this is? It's like a scratch. This is a personal defense thing, bro. You say, hey man, you want my wallet? You want my wallet? Hold up, man. Here, can I write you a check? I got my pen here. Can I write you a check? Right in the... That's what you do. Just think about that. All right, here is the sticker. Man, I tried not to see it. I got to flip it over. All right, there's the sticker. There's the sticker. All right, you guys ready? I don't know if it's right side up or what. Here we go. I have no idea what it is. I hope it better be Christmas related. It better be Christmas related, bro, because look, I'm doing a giveaway next week. And check out what's up for grabs. This is up for grabs. Look, this is the sticker that I'm going to give away with some stuff next week. Right there, bro. Check that out. How you like that? That's packing Santa Claus, man. He got nods on and everything, bro. This Santa don't play. He'll give Krampus a run for his money. All right, here we go. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. I knew it was upside down. Oh, man, bro, not going to lie. Not going to lie, bro. Very underwhelming. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. The sticker's not good, man. This is very underwhelming. I'm sorry. I had to show my channel members. They're watching this live. So, hey, if you like my content or you just like me and you want to hang out with me, talk a little crap, down there is a join button. You can become a channel member. And you can be here live when I do these videos. And I get to hang out with them after, and we get to either laugh, cry, or be happy together about these boxes. All right, let's go to the book, man. So we got TacPack Plus, #DieHard. I am going to be one of the... look, I am on the side. Die Hard. Christmas movie. If you don't think so, don't go to the comment section. Die Hard's Christmas movie. #DieHard. All right, here's what we got. Wow, there's no point in me reading this because there's no prices. TacPack, what are you doing? Okay, but in the box, we got bolt catch, gun oil, the self-defense tool, stabby stab, the Gerber pledge braid, the tumbler, the Christmas truck sticker. Now, the plus item, if you were to get the plus box, the plus item is going to be the True North 0 V2 grip. Okay. That's awesome. I love that. And the True North muzzle device. So if you would have got the plus box, those two items, as you can see here from this, these two are going to be your plus items. So there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got for you. What do you guys think? We got a tumbler. Boo. Gun oil. Yay. Nah. It's okay. These two things, yay. I love these two things. The little stabby stab thing. I'm 51 years old as of the recording of this video, I just had a birthday, and I'm not letting you get this close to me. Not going to do it. This is too close. I'll run away. Just saying. But, I mean, I guess, hey, carry is better than nothing, right? All right, so that's it. That's the TacPack for, I don't know, I'm assuming this is December, since we got a Christmas sticker. And, yeah, I don't have another TacPack down there. Hey, if you made it this far, I really greatly appreciate you. Please give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, if you feel it's worthy. Or give it a thumbs down. I don't really care, whatever. But please make sure you subscribe to the channel and come on back and be part of our little ragtag community here of misfits. Just saying. All right, and as per usual, may the good Lord bless you. If you're struggling, you feel like you're alone, reach out for the Lord. The Lord's always with you. All you have to do is ask, let Him in, so you can feel His presence. Change your life. God bless all of you. And with that, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one. My nose is itching. I'm out of here. Peace.